Jeremy Gray, he's an awesome dude. Like, his biking skills are unreal. It's just amazing to see him at work and what he can do on the field. And just on the track, he's just, even off the track, he's still the same guy. He can really kill it out there on the 500cc dirt bike. Just really a monster at what he does. And I'm excited today to see him and how he works. And I hope it all turns out well. So, do I think he's prepared? Yeah, I think he's definitely prepared. I think he's going to go really far in life. And I really hope that, yeah, I think the track, it'll turn out well. I think he, like I said, he's never crashed before, and he'll really just kill it out there. All right, let's go see him on the field.
A step into the unknown is nothing to this man. A man that isn't afraid to stare his opponents straight in the pupils. One that can stare at him and break him at the spinal cord. All he has to do is step upon the ground, and everyone gets quiet. A man that is fearless. A man that has such greatness for what is to come. A man that sets history far back in time. He is no man. He is a rider for the sun, a rider for the universe. And there's just nothing that can stop him now. So, let's find out what happens, shall we? Takes the lead to the ramp. He jumps it. Oh my word. A man that has never been stopped before has just done it again. Please comment, like, and subscribe.